1978 Cadillac Seville, last stop. Pretty tight engine compartment to work on. AC Delco alternator. Whoa, look at here. My goodness. Let's see. As usual, the dash is cracked. Very common. Red interior. Roof liner is still tight, surprisingly. This has four-wheel disc. Really desirable for the day. Check this out. Zip ties to hold the leaf spring. Jack usage instructions label. Some NOS fan belts there. I wouldn't use them though, they're very old. Here's another one. The compact spare that came with this car. The inflator is missing. Carpeted trunk. Pomegranate. Wow. Still looking fresh. Rust issues. Here's the hood. '78 Seville, last stop.